Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to another issue of Build the 1967 Eleanor Mustang from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds from the wonderful folks over at Fanhome. If you would like to subscribe to this beautiful 1/8 scale partwork, click this link all the way along here. Bink. Head over to the Fanhome website, hit the subscribe button, and you too can be building this iconic, beautiful, beautiful Mustang. You know you want to, folks. So in this issue, it is kit number 30 that we're going to be doing. And we're going to be putting together the first stage of one of the rear wheels, which is this one here on the left-hand side. So you're going to be getting the centre rim. You've got an internal rim. You then got your knockoff centre cap, which is magnetic, and some PS05 screws to screw this into this, folks. Nice simple episode this week. So here's your instructions, telling you what you're going to be doing, putting the rim in the right place, or spinning it round, locating it on these 3 protruding lugs, using your PS05 screws there, and working your way around the internal hub to screw this in place. Pretty simple, straightforward episode, this one. And when you're completed, you'll have this inner rim and you'll have the little knockoff left, ready for the next issue, folks. So this is where we get into the little bitty stuff now. So that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue. So we'll just flip the instructions back so that you can see what we're going to be doing. I'll just put them at the back of my screen and we'll grab the parts. So you've got your inner rim, you've got your centre hub, and this is die-cast. It's got a bit of weight to it as well, folks, I must admit. Yeah, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. And then obviously we got the screws, which are PS05s this episode, and your knockoff. So let's quickly open this packet. And we'll get the screws out. We only want 3 of them, and the other one is a spare, so we'll put that in our little spares pile, and then we'll start putting these screws in for you. So we'll drop that on the screwdriver, and we'll have a little bit of oil on each one, like we always do. So we'll just put a little drop of that on there, just like so, and that's now ready. Spin this round, and you've got these 3 protrusions here, these little prongs. That's what we want this episode. And you've got a little recess just there in these ears. Spin that away from you, like so. Okay. And then they locate just on there. Okay. Once you've got your first screw in, you don't have to worry about holding it in place. So we'll just bring that nearer to us so you can see what I'm doing. And then just pop your screw in. And gently start bringing it home, just like that. And that's already in. So now I can just move that around quite happily because it ain't going to fall out. The secrets, eh? Grab your next screw and do the same thing. Pop that in there. Just drop that in there like so. And we'll pop those in there. Just like that. Same again. There you go. And we'll have that in there. Just like that. And that is already looking rather splendid, isn't it? Yeah. And then there's your centre cap that you can keep in place, ready for when you put the outer rim on, folks. But that's what you'll end up with at the end of this rather easy episode this week. But already you can see that taking shape, and then you'll have the other half going over that little screw in through here. And then this will all go in the tyre. So yeah, we're already getting to that, having all the wheels on it. I know, it's going quick, isn't it? So that's what you'll end up with at the end of this episode, folks. Don't forget, if you want to go and grab one of these for yourself and build along with me, click this link all the way along there. Head over to the Fanhome website, hit that subscribe button, and grab yourself your very own Eleanor. You know you want to, folks. But until the next issue, bye-bye for now. Stay safe and well. And I'll see you on the next episode of Eleanor, folks. Oh, it's really good. Charlie, can you get my coat?